Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a lot of emails at once. First, open your email client and navigate to your inbox. To select multiple emails, you can click the checkbox next to each message. For a larger selection, use the search bar to filter by sender, subject, or date. Once your search results appear, look for an option to select all conversations that match this search to quickly gather many messages. Now, let's get more specific with your search. You can use advanced operators like older than 1 year to target old messages, or has attachment to find emails with files. Combining terms, such as from newsletter older than 6 months, helps narrow down your selection significantly. Before deleting, always take a moment to quickly review the selected emails to ensure you're not removing anything important. This step is crucial for preventing accidental loss. With your emails selected, locate the delete button, often represented by a trash can icon. Clicking this will move the selected messages to your trash folder. You'll usually receive a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to perform this action. Confirm to proceed. Remember, emails in the trash folder are typically retained for about 30 days before being permanently deleted, giving you a window to recover anything mistakenly removed. To free up storage space immediately, navigate to your trash folder and look for an option to empty trash or delete forever. This action is usually irreversible, so be absolutely certain before proceeding. For future email management, consider setting up automatic rules or filters to sort incoming messages. Regularly reviewing and deleting unnecessary emails, perhaps once every few weeks, will help keep your inbox organized and clutter-free.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.